Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is round 2 for me at Walgreens this week. These deals started on Sunday, February 13th, and they are good up until Saturday, February 19th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload weekly videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so this is actually an online curbside pickup order. I shopped through the Rakuten's app because Rakuten is giving back 10% at Walgreens, you guys. So this is a really good time to shop online through Rakuten at Walgreens. I also used a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. And then I also used a promo code, get 10, for some extra savings. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first item that I got was this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is the 3.2 ounce, and this is priced online at Walgreens for $3.39. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $3.39 minus that $3 digital coupon brought the total down to just 39 cents. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this big hybrid 3 flex razor, and this is priced at $5.99. We have a $5 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.99 minus that $5 digital coupon brought my total down to just 99 cents. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed this Ajax. This is the 20 ounce, and that is priced at Walgreens for $1.99. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $1.99 minus that 50-cent digital coupon, that brought the total down to just $1.49. And then right beside it is the Suavitel fabric softener. That is also priced at $1.99 this week at Walgreens. We have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $1.99 minus that 50-cent digital coupon brought the total down to just $1.49. And then I went ahead and I purchased 3 of the Tresemme shampoo and conditioners, and they are priced online at $3.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive back a $5 store coupon. So you're going to want to purchase 3 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $11.97. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $11.97 minus that $5 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $6.97. And then you will receive back a $5 store coupon, which I did receive, you guys, but it's in my purse. So that store coupon did print for me. So with receiving that $5 store coupon, it brought my total down to $1.97 for all 3 bottles, or it makes each one just 66 cents. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens for $4 each. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $4, and that's going to bring your total to $8. We do have 2 $2 digital coupons on the Walgreens app, totaling $4. So $8 minus the $4 in digital coupons, that will bring your total down to $4, and then you will get back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards for purchasing 2, making your total completely free. And then lastly, you guys, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Bounty Essential Paper Towels, 6 equals 8, and then I also grabbed 2 of the Tide Liquids. So they are priced at Walgreens for $5.24. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $6 registry reward. You can choose between the Bounty, the Charmin, Tide Liquid, Tide Pods, and I think the Downy fabric softener is also a part of that as well. So you're going to want to purchase 4 at $5.24, and that's going to bring your total to $20.96. I didn't have any digital coupons for those items, and then you will receive back a $6 registry reward. So $20.96 minus that $6 registry reward, that will bring your total down to $14.96, or it'll make each product just $3.74. Now, again, this is the second time that I've done this deal, and the $6 registry reward did not print for me. I also did a transaction where I bought only Tide. I bought 4 Tide, and the $6 registry reward just did not print. So I just don't know what it is. So I did contact Catalina. I did contact customer service first, but no one would credit the $6 to my account. So I went ahead and completed the Catalina form. So I should be receiving that $6 in the mail. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So the Get 10 code took off a total of $3 and some change. I want to say it was about $3.13. I don't remember fully, you guys, but I think it was about like $3.13 that the Get 10 code took off. So let me go ahead and show you guys the receipt. So that is everything right there. The Suavitel, the Ajax, Colgate, Bounty, Tide, Big, Tresemme, Shea Moisture. And there are all of the digital coupons. So it brought my total to $33.06. I did use my Walgreens MasterCard to pay for that. So $33.06 in Walgreens cash rewards. I did get back a total of $15.95. So the $10 came from the digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. $4 came from purchasing both of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste when you buy 2. And then the rest came from the extra Walgreens everyday points. So $15.95 in Walgreens cash rewards. So $33.06 minus the $15.95 that I got back in Walgreens cash rewards. That brought my total down to $17.11. And then I did receive that $5 store coupon for purchasing the 3 Tresemme. So $17.11 minus the $5 store coupon that I received. That brought my total down to $12.11. And I'm just going to go ahead and factor in that $6 registry reward, even though I didn't receive it. But whenever I fill out a Catalina form, they always send the coupon in the mail to me. So I'm going to go ahead and factor that $6 in. So $12.11 minus that $6 registry reward for the Tide and the Bounty. That brought my total down to $6.11. And remember, I did shop through the Rakuten's app. And since Walgreens is giving back 10%, I got back a total of $5.43 from Rakuten. So $6.11 minus the $5.43 that I got back from Rakuten. That brought my total down to just 68 cents for all of these items, you guys, which is a fantastic deal. So if you have that digital spend booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50, and you have all of these digital coupons on your account, if you use that Get 10 code and shop through Rakuten, you can get all of this stuff for the same price that I got it for. So I am super happy with this transaction, you guys. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I did submit my receipt. I forgot how much I got back, but I will insert a picture. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, you guys, if you are not using Rakuten, I do have a link in the description box below for Rakuten as well. So go ahead and click those links. Once again, if you all enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and please, please, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel with the notification bell on. Also, go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram. I will have that linked in the description box below. So that is going to be it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.